Hey guys, Bink here with Bink's Corvair Addiction. Well, what am I doing now? Well, I am getting ready for tomorrow's Cactus Corvair Club Tech session, which we are hosting on our property here in our shop. I started working yesterday out in the shop, worked all day cleaning, getting Corvairs out, blowing them off, blowing the dust off. I even mopped the floor. It got her nice and clean. So today is Friday. Tomorrow's the tech session at 10 o'clock. Gates I'm opening at 9 if anybody wants to come early. I'm cutting out a sign. I got this old roof piece here. It came with the Corvairs, and I'm just going to cut out a sign and put it by the end of the road. So that's what I'm just whipping up this morning real quick. So like I said, I had this back piece of a car. I ain't gonna do nothing with it, so I just kind of quick sketch something out, kinda, and I'm just gonna go ahead and burn this out quick. Yeah, I put my earplugs in, my gloves on. I changed my shoes. I bought a new set of shoes, and I don't want to burn holes in it. We'll see if we got a good ground here or not. I don't know. Cutting down there, I guess. See what we can do here. I don't think I had a good ground on it, so I took and ground it a little bit. Got air pressure. Can't see because I don't have my glasses on. There, I'm getting her. There we go. You got the B cut out. I gotta watch out because there's something underneath right up there. So I gotta watch out how close I get. Anyways, we'll keep burning this thing out. I'll get a little faster as I get going here. All right, I got my rhythm going pretty good here. I'm making my things a little more crazy looking. Giving it a little more look to it. Got to remember not to cut those pieces out. So I want to go up a little higher with too. Oh, man, it's dark back here. Kind of dark. The sun's not up, so that's up, but it's not back here. That's pretty good. You got to remember, you can't add to it. You can always take more out. I don't know if I like that little thing on the V. I don't know. You can always cut it out later. You just can't add to it unless you're going to weld something back on it. I don't know. I like it. It's fine. You can't see. There you go. You know, I add a little more craziness to it. Makes it look cool. I have fun. I like doing this. I enjoy cutting stuff up. Let's see. That one's totally different on that one. Why not? One more different. Yeah, a little different. Wasn't that my thing? Put it on there. Do this. Got my little apostrophe up top, but I'll get her. I'll do this a little different too, I think. I don't know. We'll see. It's just wavy too, I think. Why not? Just boring, just straight. All right, a little neater. It could be a little thicker. I think it'll be a little thicker. There you go. Draw some little Corvairs on here and stuff. All right, guys, what do you think? I gotta go and cut this little brace out from the back, and then I'm gonna open up. I have an FC door. I'm going to cut the outside of it. It's just an old crusty door. I want to cut the outside of it to have for demonstrations, or I mean to view it. You know, not demonstrations, but so you could actually view how the mechanisms work inside. Dave from Cactus Corvair had posted pictures of a car door he had, and that he had to cut out so you could visually see it. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna cut a hole too in the bottom so I can stick a chain through that. If I put this out back by my road, by my gate, somebody might just snag it for scrap or something. Anyways, that's it. I don't know. I could start cutting a little more circles and stuff on. We'll leave it at that. I'm gonna go ahead and put Bink's Corvair Addiction on here or something like that, quick. I don't know. I have to get all crazy. It'll cut it. Boy, I should have started back there. I'm running out of room. There we go. Kind of got it signed now. So this is the door I'm going to be cutting open. I think I want to cut smaller pieces first. I don't know, because I don't want to cut in the spots. I don't know. Because right there, you got this. And it's just going to be a visual to see how everything works under here. Be kind of cool to cut a piece out and keep that to make a sign out of it. I might try to do that too, but I hate to cut it too big, and then I think I probably could go like that. Just to do a visual to see what's in there. But some of it you might not be able to take out because, well, I don't know, maybe it's attached in here, welded, anything, but it shouldn't be because that's got to go up and down. I don't know. We do it bigger and then we'll have to cut it smaller, I guess, if some stuff's like welded to the door in here. Everything's moving, so I don't think there's nothing like in here. So we can cut it yay big and maybe cut it a little bigger. I don't know, see what kind of mess we can make out of this. It's good glass. Kind of like to keep a piece though to make a sign. Kind of cool. See, we got a piece there. Comes around there, so I don't want to go any lower than here. Let's try to open up for visual for people to see. Here we go, door. I just got to remember. I don't know, Mark will feel little lines on there, I guess. Mark will feel little lines, I think. Because I don't want to cut too far. Yeah, it just goes down to there. I mean, it's here, but I don't know up here where anything is. Let's go something like that. I don't know. I'm assuming there's probably maybe other pieces in here, but right up to about here. And we won't get it apart or some crap. Something like that, I think will go. I don't know. See what it does. Let's start right here. Now, where was I going to cut it? Cord. My cord's snagging up here. Sparks off the glass. Now, if I had more time, I could have cut out letters under here. It says like, how do I work or something. Something's holding it in there. Could be. Maybe not. Pop her this way. I could have cut little cars out on there. Wow. Hey, screwdriver. I don't want to stop filming. That's why I keep going here. Glasses. Oh, these cell phone parts on here. Come on. Ah, one little flat up there holding it. There we go. Now we can see how it works. How all this stuff works in there. And how crusty and dusty it is. That's when my my cutter does that. The plasma cutter. You guys have to be like, you ruined a perfectly good door. I can cut it up here a little more, down here more, so you can see the track. Good job. Now some of these guys be like, you ruined a perfectly good door, but it's rotted out. This thing was flipped upside down, stuck in the mud. It's rotted. Yeah, there's some good pieces maybe on here, but for visual learning, it's bashed in right here too. It's hitting this here. So have to pound that back, blow it out, clean up my mess. I got other stuff to be doing, but for visual learning, I can, people can see that now. I like that. I'm saying this here is banged up to hit that down because this won't move. Right. So that's how it works. Well, hey guys, it turned out pretty good. When I had sprayed clear coat on it, I used Rust-Oleum crystal clear and a gloss, and quiet, and crystal clear and a gloss, and it brought out a lot of color in it, real nice. This white is just like a cardboard, it's like a foam backer panel. I just stuck it in there. It's already falling off, right? No, I don't know. Yeah, I just stuck it in there to brighten it up. I'm going to pull that off, and I'll probably paint a piece of crappy tin metal I have and just tack it in there. But I had it out there just for the car tech day we had here, and that turned out pretty good, I think. And the door, that was kind of neat. The display, I'm gonna hang that up on the wall in there. I'm gonna move some signs around, hang that up on the wall. And this I'll end up moving up that way. I ain't gonna leave it out here. If we have something else here for a Corvair thing, I'll throw it out here. Got a chain on it, so no one will steal it. Because I don't know, the junk man might think, hey, here's a piece of junk, I'm gonna take that. So anyways, that was just repurposing old parts. It was just the back of a early 60s car. Don't know, it just came with some stuff, so I kept it. Anyways, that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. I love cutting things out, it's just, kind of sketch it out and just cut, and just pretty soon you don't even need to, sketch stuff out. Anyways, I had fun making it. Hope you enjoyed it. Comments below. Think it's cool. whatever you think. Each to their own. So all have fun and keep Corvair and keep the Corvairs out on the road. And yeah, the dogs are going out of here. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bink's Corvair Addiction.